What is going on, you guys, and welcome back to another video. Obviously, I'm not in Wisconsin right now. We got palm trees in the back. I'm in Orlando, Florida for BMW Invasion, and I got the 135 with me. Oh boy, I look pasty. I am so not used to this weather. It's like 8 degrees in Wisconsin right now with a bunch of snow on the ground, and I'm honestly sweating. It's like 75 here. If this is winter for you guys, I don't know how you do it. But anyways, I'm going to the show. I brought the 135. I want to give you guys a couple updates on that, so let's jump right into it. Now, I know you guys are dying to know what's going on with this car. The last time you saw it, the engine was knocking. I trailered it down here with the same knocking engine just to show you guys. I want you guys to be able to come out, see this car. If you're anywhere near Orlando, if you guys are coming to the show, swing by, check out the car. I'm working on the built engine behind the scenes. There's been a lot going on with that story I'll dive into in a different video, but if for whatever reason this thing does decide to let go while I'm in Orlando, at least I have a truck and a trailer. I trailered it 21 hours down from Wisconsin. It was a long ass drive. I went straight shot with my wife, and we made it here at like 2 a.m. This past morning. So the car will be here. I want to show you guys some of the merch I'll be bringing and then talk to you a little bit about what's next for this thing. So here's a little sneak peek of some of the new merch. Check this out. Hoodie with an illustrated single turbo N54. We got a bunch of badass stuff. I will say I'm really light on t-shirts. I ordered a ton of t-shirts with some new designs, and unfortunately they didn't show up in time. So I have some like limited tees that are old stock. I've got a bunch of beanies. Not gonna lie, this is for people that are not in Florida, like me, who live in Wisconsin. We've got snapbacks, dad hats, the whole 9 yards. I'm gonna be bringing a ton of stuff. If you guys swing by the booth, support me, support the channel, and you guys will walk home with some badass merch. Oh, and check this shit out. M Hurricane duffel bags. I got my wife a mini backpack. I have a full backpack. I'll be bringing these to show these off, and you can also order these on my site. Everything on the site, for those of you who aren't going to be able to come, is available. All the brand new t-shirt options. Check out beamerstreet.com. I also got a new tee here. This is probably a terrible angle. I have no idea if you could see that shirt. But I have a bunch of new designs live on Beamer Street right now. So I'm going to quick detail the 135, get her shined up and rocking for tomorrow. I believe there's also a pre-meet tonight, so I'll be heading over there. I would love to see some of you guys. Like I said, if anyone's near this area, please swing by. A bunch of us BMW enthusiasts are going to be at Dezerland Park here in Orlando. I believe it starts at 10 a.m. and goes to like 5 p.m. Tons of BMWs I'm already seeing around town today. So again, I'll have another video going more in depth to what is happening with this car. I also got the 335 back together and on the road. But again, thanks for tuning in. Follow me on IG for some more real, raw lifestyle content at Jake Spence, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.